Okay. Yo, that's Memphis's G3. So where do you want to go? Suicide?
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you want to sell this? Getting tired of it? I can give you whole new parts for it.
I want a speed trigger. If I don't like the speed trigger.
Okay. You mean like AJ's?
No.
Or like...
Guys, raise your hand if you like tits. 2 hands, good. 2 hands, yay! 2 hands and a gun. And a pick. Nice GoPro.
Thank you.
I'll give you $1 for it. Okay. $2? Okay, $3? Just ignore him, he's annoying.
No, I'm booking it for...
He said okay for $3. I'll give you $3.
Okay, you two or you, just one of you go to the...
No, I'm a glider. I'm fucking booking it right there because my gun's sitting right there.
Get it instantly. Like,
No, I know. My
Yeah.
rifle's sitting right
Hey, you
next
might
to
want
it.
to cock that, Lee.
It's cocked.
no, it's not.
That's what she said.
Now it is.
You gotta fondle that pistol a little bit. Slap like fondle. That ain't a pistol in my pocket.
Ready, Chris? You dropped your mag. Chris, where are you? Chris! What? Hit! I'll be right back. Ah! My own team just shot me in my neck. Where is he? Really? Bang! Good job. Who the hell is shooting at me? I don't know. I don't know. Just stay here. Do we have it or what?
I don't know. What did you just say?
Green light. Ow! These fucking kids, yo. Swear to God. Chris, what? Sorry. Sorry. Bang, bang, bang.
Okay.
Double out, double out, double out.
I got shot anyway.
Right. He's good. You're good. I got him.
You got him?
Yeah. It was double out. Chris, where you at? Nice kill. Damn. What? Alright. Okay. Chris, where you want to go? Bang.